So are you too waiting for that smartphone that can challenge even a DSLR in the camera department? Whose features will blow your mind? If yes, then this video is just for you. Because today we are going to talk about a Nokia phone that is set to shake up the market. According to leaks, Nokia is coming back to reclaim its throne. This incredible Nokia smartphone is rumored to pack a 400 megapixel DSLR killer camera. Yes, you heard that right, 400 megapixels. This beast is called the Nokia NX Pro 5G. So what are we waiting for? Make sure you watch this video till the very end, because today we're going to spill all the details about this spectacular smartphone's insane features, price, and launch date. Let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia NX Pro 5G. Display. This phone is expected to boast a massive 6.89-inch 2K AMOLED display, running at a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether it's gaming or videos, everything will look vibrant and incredibly fluid. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 rating, and the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about its camera, the phone's biggest weapon. On the back, it's rumored to feature a triple camera setup, with a primary sensor that could be a whopping 400 megapixels. You heard that correctly, 400 megapixels. It's accompanied by a 50 megapixel, and a 12 megapixel camera, all ready to make every shot perfect. For selfie lovers, there's a 64 megapixel front camera. Every photo is going to look professional. Performance. Powering this monster is expected to be the most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This means you can handle professional-level gaming and multitasking. And for the operating system, it's likely to run on Android 16, which is the perfect combo of speed and smoothness. Heavy gaming or intense multitasking, this phone will handle it all without a stutter. Battery backup. To power through even the heaviest day of use, it's rumored to pack a massive 9000mAh battery. And when it's time to recharge, 125-watt fast charging will get it ready in the blink of an eye. With a USB Type-C Gen 3 port, data transfer will happen in seconds. Price and launch date. Now for the most important question, what will this beast cost? According to our sources, the Nokia NX Pro 5G could be priced around $999. That's a killer price for these premium features. And as for the launch, this phone could be launched in the coming few months. So get ready, because this phone is about to dominate the market.